Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Stars and Stripes Walmart exclusive set. These have just hit Walmart, and I know a lot of you guys are looking for this set each year. So the first car is the Amc Javelin Amx. So you can see on the card it has the American flag and Stars and Stripes. And on the back it just shows the cars on the card in the set. So this car is white, then you can see the American flag, it says Hot Wheels, the Javelin, red outline on the wheels, then the red stripes, and then some more stars. So next up is a 71 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. So this car is black, then you can see the stripes, then the stars, and some more stars and stripes on the top, and then a white base. So the next car is a 64 Pontiac Gto. This car was first made in 2006, and on the car, the dark red, then white stripes, then some stars right here for the flag, some more stars on the side, and the white, and then gold rims. So next up is a 68 Hemi Barracuda. The last time we saw this car was in the 50th anniversary original set. So this car is gray and the blue stars, red stripes, some more blue on the back, then all the stars on the side, number 4, for the 4th one in the set, of course. So the next car is a Chevy Blazer 4x4. So this truck is blue with the stars right here, then the red and white right here, blue windows, then the gold rims, and the flames on the flag. And it says Chevrolet in the back. This car was first made in 1984, and the last time we saw it was in 2015. So the next car is a 68 El Camino. So this car is gray, then the stars and then the blue on the hood, then it wraps around onto the side, number 7, you can see the red. I'm not sure why this says number 7, because number 4 had number 4 in the car, but this is number 6 and it says number 7. And then this version was first made in 2011. So next up is a 70 Chevy Camaro Rs. So this car is red, then the stars on the top, the stripes, then the gold rims, And this car was also a convention car in 2009. So next up is a Plymouth Duster Thruster. So this car is dark blue, then the stars and stripes on the very top. It says Plymouth, then the red and white, and then the stars on the side. And then more gold wheels. And this was last made in the 50th anniversary Amc set. And that was a really cool set. So hopefully you guys can get one. So the next car is a 68 Plymouth Barracuda Superstock Hemi. So this car is red, then you can see the gold rims, then the flag right here, the blue stars, and all the cars have been having this, like the same design with the same design like on the side. But so far, I really like the cars, like the first one that actually looks like the flag, with the white and then the red and then the blue. And this was also in the 50th anniversary Walmart Amc set. So the last car is a 68 Mercury Cougar. So this car is white, then the blue stripes right here, and then the red. Number 76 on top, and then 76 on the side. The stars, the blue, and then the red stripes following it. And then this was also a super last year. So let's take these to the track and have some fun racing them. The winner is the Amc Javelin. My favorite car out of these 10 cars is definitely the Javelin. Right behind it though would be the Mercury, but I really like the design with the white, and then the red, and then the blue, because it actually looks like the flag. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Walmart Stars and Stripes mix.